Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and I am Damadul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday 10 January 2022, now afternoon time. This Monday afternoon I am visiting a garden of our village. You can see behind my back our village garden area. Friends, this is a very beautiful green garden. Here is a many type of fruit tree, vegetable tree, really beautiful natural place. Friends, this Monday afternoon I visiting this garden and I saw here is some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে সোমবার বিকেলে আমি আমাদের গ্রামের একটি বাগানে এসেছি। এখানে অনেক সবজি গাছ, ফল গাছ আছে। বাগানটি পরিদর্শনের সময় আমি এখানে বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করব, সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। ফ্রেন্ডস, দিস গার্ডেন এরিয়া, this Monday afternoon I visiting this garden and I saw here some polluted plastic and garbage. So now I collected that plastic. First I saw here big plastic, big and old plastic stuck in soil. প্রথমে আমি বড় করে প্লাস্টিক পেয়েছি, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। দিস ইজ এ ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক, দিস ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক ভেরি ব্যাড for our nature, our natural place, our garden, our peoples, our children. So I collected this old plastic. Friends, let's go collected another garbage. I saw another plastic here. Friends, really very beautiful garden. Now I all get here and try to collect polluted plastic and garbage. I saw another big plastic here, old plastic, old and big plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম, old plastic. I saw another plastic here. Here is a many type of fruit tree, vegetable tree, beautiful place. I saw another plastic here, big plastic here, another big plastic here. I collected this plastic. I saw another old and big plastic here. This plastic, old plastic. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our nature and natural place. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. I saw here another many plastic. This is a very big and old plastic. Old plastic. 1, 2, 3. 4. Friends, here many polluted plastic. I try to collect this polluted plastic. Another plastic here. Old plastic, really bad. This plastic is really very bad for our nature, our garden, our natural place. Old plastic. Friends, old plastic. Old. Friends, I saw here one plastic bottle. I collected this bottle. This plastic bottle really very bad for our natural place. I saw another old plastic here. Another old plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। ভিতরে মাটি ছিল, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা। ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক। Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many plastic bottle from garden. I collected that plastic from this garden এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি। Friends, now this plastic in dustbin of village. Let's go. Friends, finally I'll say let's you all save our natural place. Let's you all remove polluted plastic from our natural place. Let's go. Dustbin. Friends, this our village used dustbin. This garbage plastic to in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. This was my nature cleaning mission in Monday afternoon.